Running a small business isn't small work. This helps you do it smarter. This is a full-day workshop built specifically for small construction businesses, focused on growth, hiring, retention, and smarter decision-making in a competitive market. From hiring and retention to bidding, taxes, and fleet decisions, small business owners are expected to do it all, often with limited time and resources. You'll get practical insights on the issues that impact your bottom line most, without big business assumptions. You'll learn from industry leaders and business owners who understand what it takes to grow and sustain a small construction business. You'll walk away with clearer paths for growth and tax planning, better bidding strategies, smarter fleet decisions, and tools to recruit and retain talent without guesswork. This workshop is built for owners, key staff, family-owned businesses, entrepreneurs, and anyone helping drive a small construction business forward. You'll also take part in 2 dedicated networking sessions, sharing best practices, comparing notes, and learning from peers facing the same challenges. Add the small business workshop to your CONEXPO-CONAGG registration and get strategies you can put to work immediately.